If you're familiar with if statements, then it is possible that there have been times when you had more than one condition to evaluate. In such cases, if statements do not provide a complete solution. However, using several if statements, that is one inside the other, may help you evaluate these multiple conditions. Such statements are called nested if statements. Let's take a look. In case if statements are new to you, then you can take a look at our video where we explain the fundamentals of if statements. The link is in the description below. Let's take a look at the data that we have in this example. We have a set of people and the total loyalty points they have. Loyalty points are used everywhere from flights, hotels, clubs, stores, and many more places. What we need to do is write a formula that will help us assign a membership level to each person. Anyone who has more than or equal to 90,000 points is a platinum member. Anyone with more than or equal to 60,000 points but less than 90,000 points is a gold member, and so on. Let's write a nested if formula to achieve this. We will start by writing the if statement for the first condition. If for the logical test, our condition will be B2, which is the points for the first person, are greater than or equal to 90,000 or F7. Fix the reference. Then we move to our next parameter, which is value if true. If the condition is true, then we should display platinum as a result. Therefore, we will select the cell E7, which contains the status as platinum. Fix the reference. Now, as we go to our next parameter, value if false, things start to change from a simple if statement. If this was a simple if statement, then we would have given a value and closed the statement. However, we don't have a definite answer here. We have more than one possible result. The person could be at gold membership level or silver or base. So instead of giving a definite answer, we need to evaluate more conditions. And we know that to evaluate conditions, we use if statements. Therefore, we start another if statement. So without closing any brackets, which is a common mistake people make in the initial days, we start another if statement in place of value if false. We will write if, and again compare the value in cell B2. But this time we check if it is greater than or equal to the cell F8, which contains the value 60,000. Fix the reference. If that's true, then we return the value in cell E8, which is gold. Fix the reference. Now you may ask that we have only checked if the value is greater than or equal to 60,000. We have not checked if the value is less than 90,000. Why is that so? The reason we need not check that is because in the previous if statement we had checked that condition. We are checking for value to be greater than or equal to 60,000 in the value if false for the earlier condition. We will reach the value if false only when the value is less than 90,000. Therefore, we need not check it again. Now coming back to our formula, where the value if false for the second condition. Again, at this point, we do not have a definite answer, so we will write yet another if statement. If the value in cell B2 is greater than or equal to the value in cell F9 or 30,000. Fix the reference. If that's the case, then we return the value silver or cell E9. Fix the reference. Now coming to the value if false, we see that we have only one more condition left. Now we need not write another if statement here. At this point, the only other possibility is that the points are less than 30,000, which means irrespective of the points, the person is at the base level. So we can just select cell E10, fix the reference to indicate the level as base. Now since we've opened 3 if statements, we need to close all 3 of them. And once done, we can copy the formula. If you look at Amy Smith, her points are 81,000 which is more than 60,000 but less than 90,000. Therefore, her membership level is gold. Ravi has more than 30,000 but less than 60,000 points. Therefore, his membership level is silver. Max only has 20,000 points. Therefore, he's at the base level. And Billy has more than 90,000 points. Therefore, the membership level is platinum. So that's how you use the nested if statement. You can also use ifs and VLOOKUP with approximate match. Both these methods can result in writing shorter formulas, and if you're interested, you can take a look at them. I will include the links for their videos in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.